Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a new chapter 4, pair of linear equations in two variables. Before going to exercise 4.1, I want to give you some formulas to remember for doing the exercise 4.1. See that if any equation is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and one more equation is in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then these two equations are there now. We have to compare these values a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, these are called as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means how it will be, ma? These are called as intersecting lines. Means they will join at any one point. These are called as intersecting lines. Did you understand? Means they must cut at one point. That may be these lines are called as intersecting lines. See, consistent means there will be unique solution. Unique solution means only unique means only one solution. Here this point is called x comma y. We'll get only one point here. These are called as intersecting lines. When it will be a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. And second one, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2, means one is equal and one is not equal, then these are called as parallel lines. How will be the parallel lines, ma? Will they intersect at any point? No. These are called as parallel lines. These lines are inconsistent and there will not be any solution. See here, these two lines will not meet at any point, no? So no solution. Did you understand? See the third one. If a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, if three are equal, they are called as coincident lines. How the coincident lines will be? If this is one line, one more line also, this is the starting point. Let this is one line, and the same here one more line. Two lines will be coincident like this. Means how many points will be common? So many. So infinite number of solutions. This is also consistent. Means common points are there, no? So intersecting lines and coincident lines both are consistent lines, but intersecting lines have only one solution, unique solution, one solution. But coincident lines like this, they will be having so many solutions, so infinite number of solutions. To remember for your thing, see here, if this is not equal or all are equal, they are called as consistent lines. This is not equal means unique solution. Three are equal means infinite number of solutions. One is equal, one is not equal, means they are parallel lines and they are inconsistent, no solution. This one you must remember. If you forget this, you can't do exercise 4.1. Remember this carefully. Let us start exercise 4.1 then. Will you remember this? If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2, parallel lines. If three are equal, coincident lines. This and this is consistent. Here it is unique solution, it is infinite number of solution, it is inconsistent and no solution. Did you understand, ma? Let us start our exercise now. Yes. See the exercise 4.1. Okay, exercise 4.1. See the first problem in that. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Intersecting a parallel coincident ఇది చెప్పమన్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసాం ఏంటి, నాట్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్, ఒకటి ఈక్వల్ ఒకటి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్, అన్నీ ఈక్వల్ అయితే కోఇన్సిడెంట్ లైన్స్. దాన్ని బట్టి మనం చెప్పేయచ్చు కదా. సో వీ కెన్ సే బై దట్, నో? సీ హియర్, కంపేర్ విత్ దిస్. You know the equations, no? What are the equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and one more equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. What are the given equations, ma? 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Here 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Means a1 equals to 5, b1 equals to minus 4, c1 equals to 8. Here a2 equals to 7, b2 equals to 6 and c2 equals to minus 9. Now compare it now. a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. Let us compare this first. a1 how much? 5 by a2 7. b1 by b2 minus 4 by b2 is 6. Is both are equal? Not equal. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then we can say what are these lines called as? Intersecting lines. Don't forget, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, they are intersecting lines. Already I said no here. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, intersecting lines. Did you understand, children? Shall I go to the next one? In this same B, what is the question they have given? 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. What we have to do? Again, a1x plus b1y plus c1. a1x, here only I am writing, plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Here a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 now. What is the value of a1? 9. b1 3. c1 12. And a2 18. b2 6. c2 24. Now compare ma. a1 by a2, b1 by b2. a1 value how much? 9. Compare 3. Okay. a1 value 9. 9 by 18. b1 value 3 by 6. 12 by 24. Here see, 9 ones are 9 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 12 ones are 12 twos are. Means what we got? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. If all are equal, these are called as what? Coincident lines. What lines? Coincident lines. Did you understand, children? Shall I go to next problem then? See the C. What they have given question? 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. Same method. What is the value of a1? 6. b1 value minus 3. c1 value 10. a2 value 2. b2 value minus 1. c2 value 9. See here, a1 by a2, 6 by 2. b1 by b2, minus 3 by minus 1. c1 by c2, 10 by 9. Compare it ma. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Minus minus cancel. See here, 3 by 1. Here also 3 by 1. Equal. But not equals to 10 by 9. Means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. If we get like that, what these lines are called as? See what I said. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2 means parallel lines. Therefore, these lines are parallel lines. Did you understand, ma? Shall I go to next question? What is the question? See, check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. In that, see the first one. 3x plus 2y equals to 8. 2x minus 3y equals to 1. What is the question? Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Means we have to show them in graph also. See the equation. We have to get in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. No. So send this to that side. What it will become? 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Now a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Is they equal? a1 is not equals to b1 by b2, is not equals to c1 by c2. If all are not equal, then these lines are called as, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then what we can say? These are consistent. What lines here? Intersecting lines, no? If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, intersecting lines, no? Consistent. And how many solutions it will have? Unique solution. Unique solution, no? We have to prove it graphically. How will you prove graphically? Consistent means it will have only one solution. That also you must get that solution in the form of a graph. Let us show that. Here see 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Take the first equation. 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. I am writing in the form of y. 2y equals to, if I send minus 8 to that side, plus 8. Plus 3x to that side, minus 3x. I want y. Send 2 to that side. 2 is multiplying here. If I send to that side, it will divide. 8 minus 3x divided by 2. See here. In this, let x equals to 0. That implies y equals to, how much more? 8 minus 3 into 0 by 2. That equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. If x equals to 0, how much we got? 4. Now take, here the denominator is 2, no? Take the multiples of 2. Otherwise you will get points. No need of doing that much difficulty. So take 2 as a factor again. If x equals to 2. Y equals to 8 minus 3 into 2 by 2. How much? 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 how much? 2. 2 by 2 how much? 1. Again take x equals to 4. Now solve it. Y equals to 8 minus 3 into 4 by 12. 4 3s are how much, ma? 12. 8 minus 12 by 2. 12 minus 8 how much? 4. Bigger number symbol? Minus. Minus 4 by 2. 2 2s are minus 2. Okay. Shall I do one more value? What is y here? Y equals to 8 minus 3x by 2. Y equals to 8 minus 3x by 2. That's all, no? And see here. 0, 2, 4 what we have done. Let take x equals to 6 then. Let x equals to 6. That implies y equals to 8 minus 3 into 6 by 2. 8 minus 6 3s are 18 by 2. Means 18 minus 10, 8 minus 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are minus 5. How many values we got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 values are enough, no? Now write the x comma y values. What we got? 0 comma. See here what are the values? 0 comma 4, 2 comma 1. 0 comma 4, 2 comma 1 and one more value, ma? 4 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2, 6 comma minus 5. This is for what? Y equals to 8 minus 3x by 2. One equation is over now. Now take for, let it be equation, no need of equation number. See the next equation. 2x minus 3y equals to 2x minus 3y equals to 1. No? Take that one. 2x minus 3y equals to 1. Now solve this. Minus 3y equals to 1 plus 2x if I send to that side. Sorry. Minus 2x. Now send this minus to that side. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 2x minus 1. I want y. Send the 3 to that side. 2x minus 1 by 3. It is multiplying. If I send to that side, it will divide. Here, same. Take values. Let x equals to 0. That implies y equals to. Substitute here, ma. 2 into 0 minus 1 by 3. 0 minus 1 by 3. If I solve this, if I no need otherwise. Do the next one. 2 minus 1. Take x equals to 1. How much you will get? Y equals to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1. 1 by 3. Again take x equals to 6. Take 3 ma. Take 2 itself. Y equals to 2 into 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 3 that equals to 1. 6 minus 5 by 3. Take x equals to 4 then. Will not get. Again will get in points itself. Take 3 itself ma. No need. Y equals to 2 into 3 minus 1 by 3. 6 minus 1 by 3 means 5 by 3. Write in the form of points ma this one. 3 divided by 1 no. 0.33 is 9. 1 again. 0.33 and continuation. Minus 0.3. Here plus 0.3. Here 5 by 3 means divide it. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3. 2. Again 0.0. 5 table how much you will get? 5 3s are 15. Sorry 3 table. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 6 are 18 no. 10. 10 minus 8. 2. Again 1 minus 1 0. Here point is there. Take 0 again. It continues. So leave it. 1.6. These are the values. If I want any correct number means if I take 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 7. Correct value number means how much I can take? 6 minus 1 3. 4 8 minus 1 7. If I take again x equals to 4, how much I will get? Y equals to 2 into 4 minus 1 by 3. 8 minus 1 by 3. 7 by 3. Again we will get in points. 3 7. 3 2s are 6. 1.0. 3 3s are 2.3. It continues. All the points we got now. How many points here we done? 1 2 3 4. For here also let it be 4 points enough. X comma y equals to 0 comma minus 0.3. 1 comma 0.3. 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1.6. If I take 6 ma, how much it will become? 12. 12 minus 1. 5. 10. 10 minus 1. Take 5 ma. X equals to 5. Y equals to how much? 2 into 5 minus 1 by 3. 10 minus 1 by 3. 9 by 3. 3 3s means correct value you will get, no 3. So write 5 comma 3. These are the values, no. By using this, let us plot a graph. Plot a graph roughly. I am plotting 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4. Enough. Here what are the values? 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Is it okay? Now plot the values first plot for one equation number. Let us plot for this equation 1. Okay, this is equation 2. For equation 1 I am plotting. What are the values? Here we got 0 comma 4 0 comma 4, and the second value 2 comma 1 2 comma 1, and the next value 4 comma -2 4 comma -2. Is it okay, ma? Again 6 comma -5 6 comma -5. These are the points, no? First drawing these points. I have drawn roughly. Draw with a scale, ma. You'll get correctly. What is this equation, ma? Write that equation. 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Now for the other equation, what are the values we got? 0 comma minus 0.3 0 comma minus 0.3 means here something here like this. Again next 1 0.3 1 for 1 0.3 means somewhat here. Again for 2 how much? 1 for 2 1. Again this point, ma. Now round off this for getting difference. That's all. For 2 1. Again one more point. 3 1.6. For 3 1.6 somewhat here. Okay. And next I'm plotting for 5 3. For 5 3. Now join these points, ma. See here, I didn't use scale, that's why I got here. If you use scale and a graph, you'll get a straight lines like this, 2 straight lines, not curves like this. You'll get 2 straight lines. At which point it is intersecting? 2 comma 1. By this graph only we can say these are intersecting lines and having a unique solution 2 comma 1. That is your answer. Therefore x equals to 2, y equals to 1. Did you understand, children? Continuation we'll see in the next video. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Share my channel to your friends also. They will also be used to this channel. Thank you. If you have any doubts, give in the comment box. I will explain you. Thank you.